Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our educational journey through the annals of time. Today, we embark on a riveting exploration of the Industrial Revolution, shaping the modern world. As we open the pages of history, we're transported to a time of relentless innovation, roaring machinery, and societal metamorphosis. Join us as we uncover the extraordinary tale of how the clatter of factories and the invention of ingenious mechanisms transformed not only the landscapes of cities, but the very essence of human existence. Our mission is not just to witness history unfold, but to dive deep into the heart of the Industrial Revolution and witness how its echoes continue to resound in our lives today. The Industrial Revolution was a period in the late 18th century and 19th century when major changes in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology had a profound effect on the social, economic, and cultural conditions across the world. It began in the United Kingdom, then subsequently spread throughout Western Europe and North America. The Industrial Revolution was a period in the late 18th century and 19th century when major changes in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology had a profound effect on the social, economic, and cultural conditions across the world. It began in the United Kingdom, then subsequently spread throughout Western Europe and North America. The precise start and end dates are uncertain. However, historians often place it between 1760, 1830, with some arguing as late as 1850. The Industrial Revolution was characterized by new methods of production, including mechanization, that allowed for greater efficiency in manufacturing processes resulting from increased machine power, mass production techniques, such as dividing work into separate tasks performed by semi-skilled labor who were paid lower wages than those performing skilled labor jobs, vertical integration of industry where one company controls every aspect of production from raw materials to finished goods, thus eliminating middlemen who could charge higher prices for their services, interchangeable parts, which reduced costs through mass production technique. The transition from an agricultural to industrial economy began because of technological changes. New technology allowed for more efficient production of goods and services, which in turn created new products, industries, jobs, and markets. The most important development was that of the steam engine, invented in 1712 by Thomas Newcomen, 1663-1729, and improved upon by James Watt, 1736-1819. This invention provided mechanical power to perform tasks such as pumping water out of mines or driving machinery on factory floors. The efficiency with which these machines operated made them ideal for use in factories where they could power other machines such as looms or lathes whose output was sold at a profit once cost had been deducted from revenue generated by sales volume alone, rather than through direct labor costs incurred during production processes themselves. Because of improvements in transportation, raw materials could be moved into factories for processing. Throughout the era of the Industrial Revolution, a remarkable enhancement and expansion of transportation systems unfolded. This transformative period witnessed the construction of intricate networks of canals, seamlessly linking cities, towns, and even remote villages. Simultaneously, extensive roadways were meticulously laid down, facilitating vital connections between bustling ports and thriving inland urban centers. The introduction and widespread adoption of these elevated transportation methodologies yielded multifaceted benefits. Foremost, manufacturers were empowered to seamlessly transport essential raw materials from diverse locations into burgeoning factories, thereby expediting the intricate processes of manufacturing and processing. Furthermore, the efficient transportation infrastructure facilitated the seamless movement of finished goods from these very factories to their intended destinations for widespread distribution, ultimately impacting commerce and trade in profound ways. Because of new sources of power, machines could be powered by steam. Steam power was used in factories to drive machinery. It was also used to power steamboats that could travel on water and trains that could travel on land. The development of new sources of energy helped shape the modern world, the Industrial Revolution brought about dramatic changes in technology, manufacturing and business practices, which led to economic growth and prosperity for many nations around the globe. Workers could be organized into large factories that were owned by entrepreneurs who hired their labor. The factory system was organized into a hierarchical structure. At the top were owners or entrepreneurs who hired workers and paid them salary or wage. In between were managers and supervisors who oversaw the work of employees below them in rank within each department of the factory. Each department had its own line supervisor and worker team leaders, foremen. These foremen often had power over hiring decisions for new employees because they could recommend candidates based on their performance during interviews. However, there was no guarantee that these recommendations would be accepted by upper management if they did not meet certain criteria, such as having experience working with machines before coming on board at this particular company's facility. New organizational forms appeared with the creation of joint stock companies and limited liability corporations. These new organizational forms were important to the Industrial Revolution because they allowed for more investment and risk-taking, which in turn encouraged innovation and experimentation. Labor costs were reduced due to the availability of immigrant labor from Ireland and other parts of Europe. The availability of cheap labor was another factor that contributed to the Industrial Revolution. Labor costs were reduced due to the availability of immigrant labor from Ireland and other parts of Europe. Laborers were paid low wages. They worked long hours and under dangerous conditions, but they did not complain because there was great demand for their services. Unskilled laborers were willing to take jobs that were dangerous or unpleasant in order to earn enough money for their family's survival. Therefore, employers had no incentive to improve working conditions or pay higher wages for them. The Industrial Revolution was a period in the late 18th century and 19th century when major changes in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation and technology had a profound effect on the social, economic and cultural conditions across the world. It began in the United Kingdom, then subsequently spread throughout Western Europe and North America. Our expedition into the Industrial Revolution's profound impact on the modern world may be drawing to a close, but the echoes of its transformative power remain resolutely alive. The story of the Industrial Revolution is not just one of machinery and factories. It's a testament to the unyielding spirit of human ingenuity and progress. We hope this journey has shed light on how this monumental era has shaped the course of history and laid the groundwork for the world we inhabit. If you found this exploration enlightening and thought-provoking, we invite you to stay connected with our channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to embark on more exciting historical expeditions with us. Until next time, remember that the keys to our past are the guides to our future.